It's a year overdue. We're finishing this skid plate project. So these are about welds with about 8 months of experience. And over here, we've got welds with about 20 minutes. I honestly don't remember why we put the project aside and ended up not doing it, but we're gonna do it now. So, I've got these tools. So this is a threaded rivet. These ones are M10, and I bought some hardware for it. So it's gonna mount directly to the subframe. Just gotta mark holes out in it. We're gonna do 4 in the front, 2 in the back, and we'll see how stable that is, and then I can always add more hardware if I feel I need to. But knowing me, I probably won't until there's a catastrophic failure. We have to cut that hole out a bit more so it can clear that jack point, and we're gonna paint it, obviously. I'm working by myself today, and it's not easy because this is a heavy pan. Plate. It's a heavy skid plate. Anyways, we're gonna put riv nuts there. I'll probably make these holes larger. I don't really want to drill new holes. If I just can use existing holes, that'd be preferred. And then that piece of the subframe there, we'll have the other 2. Hopefully that'll be enough to hold the back end. I am a bit nervous about it. I'll add stuff if I need to, like a bar that runs across under the cats. Oh, I shouldn't tell where my catalytics are. Underneath the tires there. So just like that, bam, practically OEM. Okay, I've got 2 holes drilled. One, or I guess I have 3. One there. 1 mistake over there, and then 1 good one there. It's not perfectly even. This side's slightly longer than that side. Or no, maybe that side's slightly longer. So I did have to make a bit of an adjustment here. Right there, I had to make a cut so that it'll go around the, there's like recovery hooks built into the subframe, or maybe tie down hooks for transport. But either way, I had to make that cut to get around that. So we're gonna pop it in place. I decided that I'm not doing 4 in the front for now. I've got 1 on each corner. I've got 1 there and there, and then I'll have 2 on the tailpiece there. And that should hopefully hold up. Right, I skipped a bunch of stuff, but I got all my holes drilled. I drilled 1 really bad. So I filled it with weld, re-drilled it, and knocked the weld out. So it's a bit ovular, but it should be exactly what we need to get the bolt lining up. So I'm gonna sand the whole thing down with a flap disc, and then we're just gonna paint it, and then I'll put it on tomorrow because I'm tired and I want to eat. It's day 2. This probably isn't gonna end up being a full video because I didn't film much. It was a lot of work just trying to. I had to basically put the skid plate on my chest and push it up, and it was just impossible to hold the camera at the same time. But you can see it's on now. So we've got bolt there, bolt there, bolt there in the back, here in the back as well. And I should probably put 2 more on the sides there, or on the sides and the back end. So I'm gonna get under it and I'm gonna see if that's even possible. But like, it's on there tough. It doesn't. Oh, there you go. It's on. 6 bolts. When I torqued the bolts up, it bent it to shape to get an even better fitment. So hopefully that'll make it easier to get on and off.